Uxcell 8 pieces eyelash curler refill replacement light blue. Finally found something that fits in my very old Maybeline curler. I don't know the model number, only that it was purchased in the mid to late 90s. These are great. I've also wedged one into another curler. Seemed to be holding up well, and the price was right. They did take a bit to get to me though, like I'd forgotten I ordered them. Soft Touch Eyelash Curler. The Soft Touch Eyelash Curler features spring action movement to provide a gentle, controlled yet firm touch for beautiful, intense lashes. Precision crafted with stainless steel and designed with soft touch handles to ensure an easy but secure grip. 24x Makeup Cosmetic Replacement Eyelash Curler Refill Silicone. After trying to find replacement pads for my eyelash curler for years, I finally decided to check Amazon and took a chance on these. Glad I did. I have both a Revlon and e.l.f. curlers and they fit them both perfectly. I've been using it in my Revlon curler for a little over a week and so far so good. No pinching, sticking to my lashes or splitting. Would definitely consider purchasing again in the future. TOUCHBeauty EC0918 Double End Heated Eyelash Curler Portable Size. This is a heated eyelash curler that provides a natural looking curve to the eyelashes. Instead of a tool that clamps down on the eyelashes, the user curls the lashes by pushing the lashes against the eyelid and or pulling the curler up through the lashes. The tool also has a comb that can be used to separate the lashes, however, I really didn't see the need for it. It requires one AAA battery that the user must supply. I found that folding the lashes against the eyelid with the heated curler worked best for my lashes. I curled my lashes, applied mascara, curled them again and applied mascara to the tips of my lashes. The mascara seems to help set the curl, but using the tool also removes some of the mascara at the tips. The temperature is not hot against the skin when pressing against the eyelid. This does take more time than a manual eyelash curler but has a more natural, but not terribly dramatic effect. Please look at the picture of me showing one eye with curled eyelashes and the other eye without curled eyelashes. The one thing that I don't like about this product was that it can go through battery juice quickly. It is easy to forget to turn it off right away. In addition, I do believe that this is rather pricey when comparing it to its alternative. This was a fun product to try. I received this product at a discounted rate in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. Eyelash Extension Blink Signature Mink Lash C Curl Thickness. I am a professional eyelash artist. After using more expensive lashes, we at my salon found these. These lashes are wonderful. I use the 0.20 and 0.15 in the different lengths. Our clients love them. They should only be applied by a professional artist. I've read other reviews that said these are too heavy, hard to apply, too stiff, and more, decrying the lashes. I am very pleased and will continue buying these. Thank you. StarTech Professional Grade Lady Beauty Tool Eyelash Curler. I needed a new eyelash curler badly and so I chose this one. I am very glad I did. I have bought so many eyelash curlers that said they didn't pinch, but what did they do? Pinched. I ordered the StarTech Professional Grade Lady Beauty Tool Eyelash Curler from StarTech not believing the no pinch claim, but I just used it and it didn't pinch or hurt a single time. I am so thrilled. I love the handle. The shape of it molds to your thumb and finger perfectly and makes it so much easier to use. Very nice idea. Another problem I have had many times is the curler actually sticking to my eyelashes and pulling one or two out. Again, that didn't happen with this one. These are more lightweight than others I have used and curling my lashes is just a breeze. The only thing that could have made these any better is if, perhaps, that had added an extra pink rubber piece to use when this one is worn. I would highly recommend these eyelash curlers. They are my new favorite. I received StarTech Professional Grade Lady Beauty Tool Eyelash Curler from StarTech at a discount in exchange for an honest and unbiased review. That is exactly what I have provided because I know people count on product reviews in their decision to whether or not to purchase items. I know that is what I look for first every time. I hope this review has helped. If it has, would you kindly press the yes button below? Thank you so much.